These are some of the beautiful places that you are going to see if you visit the country Slovenia. Hello YouTube world! Hello mga friendski around the world! Welcome back to my channel, or kung ikaw ay bago dito, welcome po sa aking new channel, Rochelle B. Malta. From Italy, Treviso, we rent a car and drove going to Slovenia. Our first stop is Predjama Castle. So this is a castle built within a cave mount in south-central Slovenia. So this castle was used as a castle featured in the 1986 movie Armor of God, starring Jackie Chan. Ito naman yung view outside the castle. Napaka-fresh. Kasi that time, we came around June. Then after that, bumalik na kami ng campsite. Kasi parang last viewing na yun that time kasi hapon na. We stayed in Sobek camping site. Supposed to be, ang plan namin dun sa Bled, sa Lake Bled, malapit. But then, full sila, kaya humanap kami ng iba. But then, okay naman dito. Dito kami nag-mount ng tent dito sa malapit sa artificial lake nila. Ang lawak ng camping site na to. And, hindi kami nagkaroon ng chance na libutin muna kasi nagpahinga kami that time. Yung first night namin, hindi kami nakatulog kasi ang ingay ng mga ducks doon sa artificial lake nila. On our second day, since the weather is nice, no rain, we continue our travel going to the Bled Castle. It was a medieval castle built above the city of Bled, Slovenia. This is one of the most visited castle also. Napaka-popular niya. Since this castle is really high, you can see the overlooking of Lake Bled. Ito naman ay Church Maria in an islet. So, accessible by boat pero hindi na namin pinuntahan. So, after nung Bled Castle, kasi maaga kami noon, after noon, nag-drive na naman kami. Then, naisipan namin mag-cross ng border going to Austria. So, ito yung pinuntahan namin sa Austria na nauna kong i-upload. Same day, we drove back to our campsite, and then after our dinner, we explore the place because on that time, the day is long. Next stop naming pinuntahan ay ang friendski Waterfalls. So, it is 52 meters, one of the highest among Slovenian waterfalls. You can also enjoy taking videos or photos behind the waterfalls because there's a path going there. This pass has astonishing view, really, it was beautiful. And the road trip continues. So, hindi namin palalampasin na bumisita sa Ljubljana, the capital of Slovenia. So, Predjama Castle is a key landmark of the town. Originally a medieval fortress. This castle, it was a bit modernized inside, so I prefer the two castle we've been before. We tried also boat ride around the city. So, ang dami kasing mag-o-offer sa'yo. Iba-iba din yung prices. There's a lot of things and places to see in Ljubljana itself. So, dun pa lang punong-puno ka na, and how much more yung mga mabibisit mong places, the whole Slovenia. So, this trip is just 1 week. So, for us, parang bitin. Sobrang bitin. Okay, ang last part ng ating tour ay very interesting. It was Postojna Cave. It is 24,340 meters long, second longest cave system. Before ka makapasok is dinidivide nila into a group, tapos binibigyan ng isang tour guide by language, tapos sasakay kami sa isang train na aliw na aliw ako kasi na cave na may chandelier, yes, tapos sakay kami ng train. And then there's a part na you can walk to see yung stalactite and stalagmite na sobrang lalaki na makita mo talaga ng malapitan. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope na-enjoy nyo ang ating trip going to Slovenia. Good vibes to everyone. See you on my next video. Bye!